Okay. So good morning. Wait, what are you doing?
I'm sweeping now.
You are sweeping. Are you trying to say that I'm dirty in this house, or we are dirty in this house?
That's not what I mean.
What do you mean? Wait, what is your problem? Okay, you are sweeping my house now. You are using one hand. Instead of you to be using two hands in doing this thing.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Stop it. Okay. Look at now. You are sweeping. You are bending down. Can't you just stand straight like this and be sweeping this thing?
Like this, I'll sweep.
Of course. Okay, that's not my problem now. You are sweeping and your bonbon, you take it to the road so that people that are passing will be looking at your bonbon. Are you trying to say that I'm blind? You are showing them.
But what I'm wearing is not exposed now.
I'm talking, you are talking.
Okay, I'm sorry. Why is it that you just want to make quarrel this morning?
Give me the broom. Do you know what? I will surprise you in this house. It is over between me and you. It is over.
What did I do now?
Your bag and baggages, I will whip them to you. Use this place. But I love her before. After the Christmas and New Year, we can continue the love. Or lost anyone.
Hi, babe.
Hey, what's this?
What?
Why are you dressed like this to my house?
How am I dressed?
You look like a criminal. An ex-convict. Look at your dressing.
Really?
Why will you wear glasses on your eye? Hey! Why will you be wearing cap? And putting on white, you are wearing white. That's son of disrespect. Can't you dress in a tactical manner? Do you know what? It's over.
What?
I said it's over. Start going.
Just like that.
How do you want me to say it? Should I go to the TV station and say it?
Hey! Okay, I get it. Don't tell me it's because of this Christmas that is coming you're breaking up with me.
Are you aware that's an insult? Are you trying to say I can't pay your bills?
Apparently.
Even if I'm to forgive you now, because of that insult, there's nothing like forgiveness. Start going.
And please, do not call me back because I will not pay.
I will mash you. I will mash you. Because of this about abuse, no money is very difficult to find these days. Well, I will reconcile after December.
Scope Petenya. Are we mates?
No, Daddy, please.
So I want to beat you, you ran outside.
Daddy, please forgive me.
I will beat you, I will not beat you. It's because you ran outside.
Daddy, please now.
If the mountain refuses to come to Muhammad, Muhammad will come to the mountain. Now you come closer. Scope Petenya. So you are here pressing your phone?
No, Daddy, no. I'm waiting for 1 minute.
Wait for me.
Papa.
Very good. So you are still here?
No, Papa, you said...
Shh. You want to see what I can do?
No.
I will beat you. I will not beat you. It's because you are still here waiting for me.
Nah.
I will surprise you.